Page 4, the rose. No sharps or flats yet. We're still in a C position. 4/4 time still, so you're counting to 4. There are 4 counts in a measure, and you're counting quarter notes, because if you're going to count something, it's nice to know what you're counting. Okay. So take it one hand at a time. Make sure we got the rhythms, because the rhythms are getting a little trickier here. Right hand first, a C and a G. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right on beat 3 is when you come up, because beat 2 ends when beat 3 starts. So don't lift up before beat 3, lift up right on beat 3. 1, 2, 3. And you do some more of those. Measure 5 here, second line. 1, 2, 3. See, now you're coming in on beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Next one is C and an F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Isn't this wonderful? Let's go over to page 5, measure 18. Here, now you get the melody, because before the left hand had it. And so the measure 18. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See that tie? You got to hang on to that through beat 1 of the next measure. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. See, that's tied also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down to the bottom. Measure 30. Just go to the last 2 measures. This is the 5/7 chord. It's like here, your thumb comes down, and here a B, an F, and a G, and then the C chord. Okay. Left hand, well, left hand's doing basically the same thing except at different times. That left hand gets melody at the beginning here. So in the second measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Get the idea? Then on page 5, the left hand gets the chords and the backup, and you can do that at home. Put the hands together. So I'm trusting that you can at least read this music, and really you should be trying to try this out on your own first and see how you do, and then listen to the lesson and check it. See how you did. Anyway, let's go on. Hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right when I play that, that comes up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, the right hand is not tied, only the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And again, when I play the F, the right hand comes up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Anyway, you put the hands together. I don't want to play it all for you. You should be able to read this music on your own, really. Just make sure you're lifting up for the rest. That's where I have problems. I forget to lift up sometimes. Then we go back and we get rid of the wrong notes and we get rid of the hesitations, so the beat is a steady beat. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. You go your speed, but get rid of the hesitations. And then the dynamics, well, you're starting out soft. And in this case, you can actually play both hands about the same for the most part. Because here, you can play just soft. I prefer the left hand a little louder because that's the melody, but if you want to play the same, at the top of page 5 on measure 18, now you're going to go up to moderately loud. So you're going from soft to moderately loud. And that's the melody. That's the right hand now, because you're soft. Now moderately loud. And you can bring this up to about a moderately soft or so, but if you have to play them the same, in this piece you can get away with pretty much playing the hands the same. I just like having the melody a little louder than everything else, that's all. This is measure something, measure 25. The G, that's melody in the left hand. See, the melody is where the words are. So it has to be the same loudness as the right hand. It has to sound like one hand played all of that. And then you play these soft, and now you're soft again. And you're going to end it soft. That's pretty much the dynamics. But again, I encourage you to get to know it well enough that you're not thinking about rhythms and notes and all. Everything is there, no hesitations, and you're getting into the music. Get into this. Sing it if you want to. Might sing it, but you can sing it if you want to. Then you feel the dynamics. Well, as far as speed goes, gently. Well, gently is not a speed. It's more of a style or mood. But a lot of times in these pieces where it tells you how fast you're supposed to go, it gives you the mood of the piece. And you have to decide how fast to go based on that mood. Because there's no absolute, it's a feel thing. That's all. I'd like to play it with you very slowly. This is after you've learned it. Double check your notes and rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just check that you got all the right notes and stuff. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 4. 1, 2. 4. 1, 2. 4. 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. 1. 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 4. 1, 2. 4. 1, 2. 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 4. 1. 3, 4. 1, 2. 3, 4, off.